What's up, everybody? Garrett here with Triple B Ranch. Woo, beautiful snowy day today. Just like everybody else, I think in the country, we're experiencing the snowstorm of 2026. And Miss Paige has already been down here, got everything done, and we're gonna go start plowing some snow and see what else we can get into. Maybe have some fun today. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
All right, time to get to work. Here they go, coming in. Brought them out to just let them get some fresh air and play for a little bit. Got the hay huts filled, and got their stalls cleaned out with fresh water. Now we're bringing them back in. They spend the rest of the day inside while this storm continues. Check out that hay on their backs. That's a good thing. That is a good thing. That means they're holding that heat in. That's what you want to see. So, yeah, they're all doing good. Horses are good. All right, got the horses back in. Now it's time to go snow plow. Got the tractor all heated up, nice and toasty, and go plow some driveways. So let's get to work. We'll bring you along here for some of it, and just see how it's going. Figure we'll do halfway today, and then maybe come out tonight and do some more. Woo, it's a good one today. Can't even see the driveway at all. We're just gonna have to find it. We are pulling a lot of snow today, that's for sure. I mean, it's pretty wild. I'll show you the back vision. Just yanking snow. You can see that. It's like a big wave. Alright. We're getting her done now. I'm sure we'll have to come back out, but I wanted to try to stay up with it a little bit. Take you along. Old tractor's a 4-wheel drive. Alright. Got the driveway plowed. I'll tell you, as soon as you finish one thing, though, it's about time to plow it again. The snow is really coming down. But the tractor's working good. Oh yeah. All the work is done. Now we're going to have some fun. We're going to go do some sled riding. Bring you along. We even got Miss Paige sled riding today. Bane, you over there?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go. Not been down here yet, so this will be interesting. Not been down here yet. Look. Oh boy. The old buggy's plowing through.
Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl.
Now we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna go up this hill. Sounds good.